Next is how strong are acid or base solutions. How strong are acid or base solutions? How strong are acid or base solutions? How can we identify acid or base which is a strong, which is a weak? Already we know some idea about the which is a strong acid, which is the base, which is a strong base, which is a strong acid. How can we identify? By the pH scale. Already you know the pH value is 0 to 14 value is there. In pH scale the values is from 0 to 14 is there. 0 is there means that is a acid, 7 is there means that is a neutral, and 14 is there means that is a base. Already we know. Okay, here by the indicators we have to check. Here another indicator is the universal indicator. Universal indicator. What about the universal indicator? How can we prepare the universal indicator? It is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows the different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in solution. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. Already we are discussed in the previous classes. Methyl orange is a synthetic indicators is there. Three types of indicators is there: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and olfactory indicators. Okay, here universal indicator. This universal indicator is mixture of several indicators. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows the different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution. It is a mixture of several indicators. It is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentrations. Concentration of hydrogen ions. Hydrogen means H plus ions in solution. It is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows the different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. So this is about the universal indicator. And pH scale. What is the pH scale? What is the use of this pH scale? What is the use of pH scale? Here pH, P stands for potential or power. We can call power also. Okay, P stands for, in the pH, P stands for potential or power. H is a hydrogen. That is a potential hydrogen. Or power of hydrogen also correct. pH means power of hydrogen or potential of hydrogen. So what is the pH scale? How can you define the pH scale? A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. By the using of pH scale, measuring hydrogen ion concentration, we can measure the hydrogen ion concentration. Scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. What is the use of pH scale? We can measure the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution by the pH scale. We can measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. Here pH scale, P stands for potential, H is a hydrogen. On the pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0 to 14. We can measure generally 0 to 14. On the pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0. 0 is a very acidic. 0 to 14. 14 is a very alkaline. 0 to 14. The pH scale value is the total value 0 to 14. We can measure the pH generally from 0 to 14. Already we know 0 means that is the acid, 7 means neutral, and 14 means that is the base. Up to here already we know. Okay, thank you.